Are you looking for ideas on how to support your child's success with basic facts? We're here to help. If you don't already know what they are, basic facts refer to addition and subtraction problems with numbers 1 through 10. For example, 2 plus 3 or 8 plus 7.
We're Erin and Liz. We're two former teachers who got our PhDs so you don't have to.
We're just two moms trying to share our knowledge and love of math to change kids' experiences, and maybe yours too while we're at it.
Remember these? You might have some feelings about these, and that's okay. We know a focus on memorization is ultimately not what is best for truly learning simple addition or basic facts. Focusing only on flashcards and memorizing limits students in the long run, and for some students, it doesn't really work. This may have been your own experience.
So what can we do for our kids so that they end up loving math and learn to add in a way that will actually help them? In this series, we're going to give you some tips on how to work on the critical skill of add. Our first tip is that kids need to understand that addition means to join or combine two or more groups. This might seem obvious to you as an adult, but it often gets lost when we move right to written addition facts or focus on flashcards like you just saw.
So how do we help kids understand what addition means? Well, we talk about it in real-world situations. For example, let's say you're eating blueberries with your child. Set it up for them. Hand them 4 blueberries. Say, I'm going to give you 2 more. How many do you have now? Let the child interact with the blueberries. Talk about the fact that they're adding. They added 4 and 2 and saw that it gave them 6 altogether.
This is great because we can do it anytime. You're waiting at a restaurant to eat. Grab the napkins or forks or packets of sugar, whatever you want. Give them a few of your chosen item. Have them count. Ask them how many they have. Hand them a few more of that item and have them count that second group. Ask them how many are in that group. Then finally, ask them how many they have if they put the 2 groups together. Encourage them to physically move the groups together if you need to.
Even if they come home with some flashcards or addition problems on a worksheet, you can still do this work. Grab your Legos, dried beans, whatever they're interested in. Set it up for them. Help them really make a connection between the physical objects and the problem that they're seeing on the page. You can also have them draw out an object. You could do circles or another shape or something that's really interesting to them.
This is a crucial first step, but there's lots more on helping your child add with meaning. So be sure to stop in for the next videos in this series.
We also have some great questions you could ask your child while doing this work down below in the comments.
And be sure to like and subscribe so we can keep making more videos to help more families feel math happy.